Our next concept is harmonic conjugate. If a point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio M is to N internally, then the point Q divides AB in the ratio same M is to N externally, is called harmonic conjugate of P with respect to A and B. Here Q is the harmonic conjugate of P, P is harmonic conjugate of Q. That is, if Q is harmonic conjugate of P with respect to A and B, then P is also harmonic conjugate of Q with respect to A and B. If P comma Q are harmonic conjugates, with respect to A and B, then A comma B are harmonic conjugates with respect to P and Q. Next point, if Q is harmonic conjugate of P with respect to A and B, then AP comma AB comma AQ are in HP, that is harmonic progression. Let us do an example problem. If Q is harmonic conjugate of P with respect to A and B, and AP is equal to 2, AQ is equal to 6, then AB is equal to. Here AP comma AB comma AQ are in HV harmonic progression. That is 2 by AB is equal to 1 by AP plus 1 by AQ. That is 2 by AB is equal to, here AP is given as 2, AQ is given as 6. That is 2 by AB is equal to, take LCM, this is 6, 2 3 are 3 plus 1. 2 by AB is equal to 4 by 6, implies AB is equal to 12 by 4, that is equal to 3. AB length is 3. Next example, the harmonic conjugate of harmonic conjugate of 4 comma 1 with respect to points 3 comma 2 minus 1 comma 6 is, here given points P is given as 4 comma 1, A is given as 3 comma 2, B is given as minus 1 comma 6. Here P divides AB in the ratio x1 minus x is to x minus x2, that is 3 minus 4 is to 4 plus 1. This is x comma y, this is x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2, that is equal to minus 1 is to 5. Here ratio is negative, implies P divides AB in 1 is to 5 externally. Implies, let Q be the harmonic conjugate of P with respect to A comma B, implies Q divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 5 internally. Therefore coordinates of Q are, A is 3 comma 2, B is minus 1 comma 6. Apply the section formula. 1 is to minus 1 plus 5 is to 3 by 5 into 3 by 1 plus 5, 1 into 6 plus 5 into 2 by 1 plus 5. It is minus 1 plus 15 by 6 comma 6 plus 10 by 6, that is 14 by 6 comma 16 by 6, that is equal to 7 by 3 comma 8 by 3 is the harmonic conjugate of P. Our next problem, P is minus 1 comma 4, Q is 11 comma minus 8, divides AB harmonically in the ratio 3 is to 2, then find A comma B. So apply the section formula. First A is equal to 3 into 11 plus 2 into minus 1 by 3 plus 2, 3 into minus 8 plus 2 into 4 by 3 plus 2. This is 33 minus 2 by 5. sorry, my mistake. Here we are. So here, if P comma Q divide AB harmonically in M is to N, then A comma P divide PQ harmonically in M minus N is to M plus N ratio. Okay, this is the important formula. So we need to use this. So the ratio is M minus N is to M plus N. That is M minus N. 3 minus 2 is to 3 plus 2. That is 1 is to 5. Now coordinates of here P is minus 1 comma 4, Q is 11 comma minus 8. 1 is 1 into 11 plus 5 into minus 1 by 1 plus 5, 1 into minus 8 plus 5 into 4 by 1 plus 5. 11 minus 5 by 6 minus 8 plus 20 by 6. That is 6 by 6 comma 12 by 6. That is 1 comma 2. Similarly, B is 1 into 11 minus 5 into minus 1 by 1 plus 5. 1 into minus 8 minus 5 into 4 by, this is 1 minus 5, this is 1 minus 5. External ratio formula. This is 11 plus 5 by minus 4 minus 8 minus 20 by minus 4. It is 16 by minus 4 minus 28 by minus 4. It is minus 4 comma 7. This is the point B. This is point A. Next problem is the points A1 comma minus 3, B2 comma minus 2, C5 comma 1 are collinear. Then harmonic conjugate of B with respect to A comma C is, here B divides AC in the ratio x1 minus x is to x minus x2. Here B is 2 comma minus 2. A is 1 comma minus 3. C is 5 comma 1. This is x comma y. This is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. Therefore ratio is 1 minus 2 is to 2 minus 5. That is minus 1 is to minus 3. That is 1 is to 3. Here B divides AB. P divides AC in the ratio 1 is to 3 internally. Then harmonic conjugate of B divides AC in the ratio 1 is to 3 externally. So let D be the harmonic conjugate of conjugate of B with respect to A comma C. Then coordinates of D are, apply the section formula. Here A is 1 comma minus 3, C is 5 comma 1, ratio is 1:3. It is 1 into 5 minus 3 into 1 by 1 minus 3. 1 into 1 minus 3 into minus 3 by 1 minus 3. That is 5 minus 3 by minus 2. 1 plus 9 by minus 2. That is equal to 2 by minus 2, 10 by minus 2. That is minus 1 comma minus 5 is the harmonic conjugate of B with respect to A comma C.